Welcome to this Excel tutorial. We'll explore two methods to send emails to a list of recipients. We'll start by using the Office Word application to compose and send emails, followed by creating a VBA macro for automated emailing. Let's dive into each method. Let's begin with the first method, where we'll utilize the Office Word application to send emails to a list of recipients. This approach allows for a user-friendly interface and easy customization of email content. Assuming that you have a list of data in a worksheet which contain name, email address and subject columns, and you want to send a mail to each email address in column B. How to accomplish it? You can use the words Mail Merge feature, select data source from your Excel, and then you can send email messages to each email addresses. Just do the following steps. Launch a new Word document, and go to the Mailings tab, and select Select Recipients button. Then select Use an existing list from the drop-down menu list. And the Select Data Source dialog will open. Choose your workbook which contain your data in the Select Data Source dialog box, and click on Open button. Then the Select Table dialog will open. Choose the worksheet which contain your data. Click OK button. Then you can insert name filed into your mail content, such as, you can go to Mailings tab, and click on the Insert Merge field button under the right and Insert group. And select Name from the drop-down menu list to insert name field into your mail content. You can click on the Finish and Merge command, and then select Send Email Messages from the drop-down menu list. And the Merge to Email dialog will open. You need to set message options in the Merge to Email dialog box, and choose email address value in the drop-down list. And choose subject value from the subject line list box, then select All option in the Send Record section. Click OK button. You should see that each recipient receives a personalized email based on the data in the Excel recipient list. Now, let's explore the second method, where we'll harness the power of VBA code to automate the process of sending emails to multiple recipients directly from Excel. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor window. In the VBA editor window, go to the Insert menu and select Module. Copy the provided VBA code for sending emails and paste it into the newly created module. Now you can update email settings in code. Update the email subject by modifying the email_subject variable. This variable is set to the value in cell B1. The email address of the recipient is taken from column A, starting from row 2. Make sure the email addresses are listed in column A, and adjust the code if needed. The email body is taken from cell B2. Modify the range, B2 inches, .value part to match the cell containing your desired email body. Choose Sending option. By default, the code is set to display the email rather than sending it automatically. To send emails automatically, uncomment the line .send by removing the single quote at the beginning of the line, and comment out the line. Display by adding a single quote at the beginning. Close the VBA editor window and return to your Excel workbook. Press Alt plus F8 to open the Macro dialog box, select the Send Email macro, and click Run. After running the macro, the emails will be sent to the specified recipients. A message box will appear indicating that the emails were sent successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to send emails to a list of recipients from Excel, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.